Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Carl DeVille, and today we're unboxing something seriously elite, the RAZER BLACKWIDOW V4 Pro mechanical keyboard. Let's dive in. First up, let's take a look at the packaging. As always, RAZER's presentation is sleek, black matte finish, RGB highlights, and key features right here on the box. RAZER green switches, magnetic wrist rest, and full RGB per key lighting. Time for the best part, the unboxing. Let's cut the seal and see what's inside. RAZER always does a premium job with their packaging, and this one doesn't disappoint. Right on top, we've got the welcome note and the iconic RAZER stickers. Underneath that, the keyboard wrapped in protective foam, and right here, the detachable wrist rest. Everything is snug and secure. Here's the main beast, the BLACKWIDOW V4 Pro itself. You can instantly feel the weight and quality. Metal top plate, smooth matte keys, and a dedicated media control dial on the top right. Braided USB-C to USB-A cable are thick and premium. And right here at the side, you get a USB 2.0 pass-through port for your mouse or headset. Very handy. This is the magnetic wrist rest, soft touch leatherette with RGB underglow support. It snaps on cleanly and feels great for long typing or gaming sessions. Let's try the keys. These are RAZER green switches, clicky and tactile. Perfect for those who love responsive feedback. Here's how they sound. Once plugged in, the keyboard lights up in signature RAZER chroma. Fully customizable per key RGB with insane effects. We'll dive into software setup in the next video. That's the unboxing of the BLACKWIDOW V4 Pro. First impressions, premium build, epic lighting, and loaded with features. A true flagship mechanical keyboard from RAZER. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe to join the Carl DeVille squad, and drop a comment on your favorite RAZER product. See you in the next one.